Today we're talking cornhole. I'm going to show you how I utilize my Onefinity CNC machine to engrave the stars and cut out the center hole. Let's do this. Hello and welcome. My name is Ryan and this is Timber Creek Woodcraft. So a local woodworker in my area that I've done work with many times brought me this cornhole set that he made for a customer, and he needed help cutting the center hole and engraving the stars on it. So the first thing I did is confirm all the measurements on the piece, input those measurements into VCarve Pro, which is not 100% necessary for a job like this, but that's what I use for everything. The next thing is getting it all set up on the machine. For the first operation of cutting the center hole, I'm going to use a 1/8 inch downcut bit. And to my luck, the bit ran right through a pin nail, and that was the end of that bit. I'll change out the bit with something a little bit heavier duty, like a 3/16. Next, I'll switch over to my 120 degree V-bit. This bit cuts extremely fast. You can run it at a pretty high feed rate. I usually run it around 150. For this project, I did elect to slow it down to around 80 because of the presence of pin nails. But even at this feed rate, you can see just how fast it's carving these stars out. A good indication that you're running your bits correctly is to see chips instead of dust. You can see here, this thing is slinging chips. I mentioned before that you want to accurately measure every project you set into the machine. This is why. You can see the stars are perfectly aligned in the border and everything's going to come out just right. Thanks guys for watching. I plan on putting out a lot of content this year, and I can't wait to see what you guys all think about it. If you enjoyed this content, drop a comment down below. I'd love to hear what you have to say, and please hit the like and subscribe. See you on the next one.